Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and unplugging the keyboard to avoid short circuits. Remove keycaps with a puller and immediately store them in order so you can reinstall later. Once done, flip the board and remove the screws. Place each screw where it belongs. Check the PCB. If you see socketed switch holes, the board is hot swap and you can pull switches out. If not, you'll need to desolder. Make sure to work on a clean, well-lit surface to avoid losing small parts. You'll continue with removal. For hot swap sockets, depress the plastic clips on both sides of the switch and pull it straight out using a puller to avoid bending pins. For soldered switches, heat each pad evenly, use a solder wick or suction to clear solder, and gently lift the switch free. When installing new switches, align the two metal pins with the PCB holes and press straight down until the clips engage. Once done, inspect alignment and ensure key stems are centered to prevent wobble. To finish, reassemble the keyboard. Reinstall the backplate and return screws to their original holes, tightening evenly but not too hard to avoid warping. Plug the keyboard in and test every key using a key tester or software. Make sure travel and actuation feel consistent. If a key doesn't register, power down, reseat the switch, or, if soldered, reflow the joint and verify the pins are straight and fully inserted. One tip: if chatter or intermittent behavior appears, reflow the solder or replace the switch to resolve it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.